Just as Trust Lube lubricants will provide the optimum performance for the engine, creating a good performance for it to allow your engine run smoothly, cooling every single part of it, and also creating that functionality and best performance you can ever imagine. I would also let you know a general misconception that people assume about engine oil in general. They assume that once you get the best engine oil, just Trust Lube anyway, they assume that it solves all the vehicle problems. But my brother, if that is the case, then you don't need top maintenance, but you need proper maintenance. Your oil filter needs to be changed. Every single part that is damaged needs to be changed properly, and that is why you need very quality technicians to work on your vehicle. That I can assure you. And with that, with Trust Lube lubricants, rest assured that then your engine wouldn't be doing pow pow pow, but be running smoothly. Zoom. Engineer Bello Oluwafisayo from Trust Lube Fluid Resources Limited, giving you just a general misconception that people have about their engines and when it's damaged.